Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Epic Games Launcher. While launching the launcher or trying to install it, the launcher is not working in your Windows PC. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, head over to Settings menu, choose Windows Update, and if any kind of update is pending at your end, choose the option Download and Install to make your operating system up to date. And then if Epic Launcher is not opening or not installing, you need to run the installer as an administrator. If it is not opening, click on Start menu, type Epic and choose the option Run as Administrator. If you are trying to install it, simply right click on the installer and choose the option Run as Administrator to install it. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the second step. In second step, I have a tool with the name Advanced Uninstaller. Go ahead, simply choose the option Free Download to download this tool into a system. Once the download is finished, click on it to install the Advanced Uninstaller into your PC. This is a very powerful tool which help you fix out the issue of Epic Launcher not launching or not working in your Windows PC. So wait for it to finish installing in your PC, and once it is installed, go ahead and launch the software. Now the interface is right in front of you. Under the General Tools, click on the option Uninstall Programs. Now all the installed programs will be shown right in front of you. You need to find Epic Games Launcher as well as Epic Online Services. Select both the programs one by one and choose the option Uninstall. After installing, close it. Now go ahead, close the uninstaller, open up your browser, download the Epic Games Launcher again and then run it as an administrator to fix out the issue of Epic Games Launcher not working in your Windows PC. If this also failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. In next step, if Epic Launcher doesn't able to play the game, first of all, launch the Epic Games Launcher into a system and then into the search box, type in Fall Guys and hit the enter key. Go ahead and install this particular game, which is Fall Guys, which is of around 6 GB, so it won't take much space in your system. After installing, go to the library, click on this 3-dot icon and choose the option Manage. Now click on this icon to open the installation directory of the game. Now here open a folder with the name Epic Online Services. Now here is the Epic Online Service Installer. Go ahead, double click to run and install Epic Online Services into your PC, and once it is installed, go make sure to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, try to relaunch the game, and this will fix out the issue of Epic Games Launcher not working in your Windows PC. And if none of the methods help you fix out the issue, go ahead and launch the Microsoft Store. And in the search box, type in Epic Games Launcher and hit the enter key. Here is the Epic Games Launcher of the Microsoft Store version. Select it, then click on the option Install. I have already installed this Epic Games Launcher into my system. So if you have installed, go ahead, first of all uninstall it from your PC and then install this Store version of Epic Games Launcher, and this will completely fix out the issue of Epic Games Launcher not working in your Windows PC. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.